Hey guys, I've got to tell you something amazing. I mean, this is like the coolest thing ever, and I just can't stop thinking about it. So, you know how we all talk about what we want to be when we grow up, right? Well, I've finally figured it out. I want to be in the Navy. Yeah, you heard me, right, Navy. It's going to be the most epic thing ever. So, it all started when I was watching this documentary with my dad the other day. It was about these Navy ships, you know, the ones that are like massive floating cities with planes and everything. They were showing how the sailors live on the ship, what they do every day, and all the crazy, cool things they get to see and do. I was glued to the screen the whole time. I couldn't believe how awesome it was. Imagine being on a ship that's in the middle of the ocean, with nothing but blue water all around you, as far as the eye can see. The sun's setting, and the sky is this amazing mix of orange, pink, and purple. You're standing on the deck, feeling the salty sea breeze on your face, and you just know you're part of something huge. That's the life I want to live. Just thinking about it gives me goosebumps. And the uniforms. Have you seen those crisp Navy uniforms? The white hats, the sharp jackets, the medals and badges, they look so cool. I'd be proud to wear one of those. When I put on that uniform, I'll feel like I can do anything, like I'm part of this elite group of people who are all working together to protect our country and help people all over the world. And it's not just about looking cool, it's about being part of something bigger than yourself, you know? I've been reading up on it a lot lately. I even went to the library and checked out all these books about the Navy. Did you know that the Navy has been around for centuries? Some of the most famous battles in history were fought on the sea, with these massive ships going head to head. The strategies they used were genius, and the sailors back then were tough as nails. They didn't have all the technology we have now, so they had to rely on their wits, strength, and courage. I want to be just like them. One of the coolest things about being in the Navy is the chance to travel the world. I mean, how awesome would it be to visit different countries, see new cultures, and meet people from all over the place? There's so much out there that we don't even know about. And being in the Navy, you get to experience it all. You're not just reading about these places in a book or watching them on TV, you're actually there. You get to see the sights, taste the food, and learn the languages. It's like being on the ultimate adventure every single day. Plus, the ships themselves are like something out of a sci-fi movie. They've got all these high-tech gadgets and systems that keep everything running smoothly. Can't wait to learn how to operate all that cool stuff. There are radars, sonar, navigation systems, weapons. It's like a giant floating command center. And the planes. Did I mention the planes? Some of those ships have entire fleets of jets and helicopters on board. Just think about it, pilots taking off and landing on a moving ship in the middle of the ocean. That's insane. I'm not sure if I want to be a pilot yet, but I definitely want to be part of that action. And it's not just about the ships and the tech. Being in the Navy means you're part of a team, like a big family that's always got your back. You're all in it together, working towards the same goal, and that's what makes it so special. Everyone relies on each other, and you learn to trust the people around you with your life. That kind of bond is something you don't find just anywhere. It's like having a group of best friends who you know will be there for you no matter what. I know it's not going to be easy. Navy training is super intense, and you have to be in top shape, both physically and mentally. But I'm ready for it. I've already started working out more, running, and doing push-ups and sit-ups every day. I want to be in the best shape possible so I can handle whatever they throw at me. And I've been studying a lot too, because there's a ton of stuff you need to know, like how to navigate by the stars, how to survive in the ocean, and even how to fix engines and other equipment on the ship. It's a lot to learn, but I'm up for the challenge. Another thing I can't stop thinking about is how much good the Navy does in the world. It's not just about fighting battles or protecting the country, although that's super important too. The Navy also helps people in need, like when there's a natural disaster and they send ships to deliver food, water, and medical supplies. Or when they rescue people who are stranded at sea. It's about making a difference in the world and helping others, and I think that's really cool. I want to be part of that, helping people and making the world a better place. My parents are totally supportive of my dream too. My dad was in the military, so he gets it. He's been telling me all these stories about his time in the service, and it just makes me even more excited. He said it's not going to be easy, but he knows I can do it if I put my mind to it. And my mum, well, she's a little worried, but she knows this is what I want, and she's proud of me for having a goal and working towards it. I think that's why I'm so determined to make this happen. I want to make them proud. Sometimes I daydream about what it's going to be like when I'm actually in the Navy. I picture myself standing on the deck of a massive aircraft carrier with jets zooming overhead and the crew working all around me. Or I imagine being on a smaller ship, out on a mission in the middle of the ocean, with the waves crashing against the hull and the wind whipping through my hair. It's like something out of an action movie, but it's real life. I can't wait to be part of it. And you know what else is awesome? The sense of pride and honor that comes with serving in the Navy. You're representing your country, and that's a big deal. You're part of a tradition that goes back hundreds of years, and you're carrying on the legacy of all those sailors who came before you. That's something I really want to be a part of. I want to make a difference, protect my country, and be someone that others look up to. Of course, there are going to be challenges. I know that. There will be times when I'm homesick or tired or scared, but I'm ready to face those challenges head on. I'm not going to let anything stop me from achieving my dream. And I know that in the end, it's all going to be worth it. The experiences, the friendships, the sense of accomplishment, it's all going to be amazing. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm going to work hard, stay focused, and do whatever it takes to make my dream of joining the Navy a reality. I can't wait to see where this journey takes me, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. Who knows? Maybe some of you will join me, and we'll all be sailing the seas together one day. That would be so cool. Anyway, I've got to get back to studying and training. Every little bit helps, and I'm not wasting any time. I'm going to make this happen, and nothing's going to stop me. So wish me luck, and who knows, maybe in a few years, you'll be seeing me in one of those Navy uniforms, living the dream. Let's do this.